Ali Al-Kaabi, Business Development and Sales Manager in Caracal International. We are honored to be and participate in IDEX 2023. Caracal is the specialist company in the small arms. We started in 2007 with our first product, 9mm pistol. Today we have more than 13 different small arms products. We cover the assault rifles, sniper rifles, submachine guns, and today we are showing the newest product, CLMG 556, machine gun 556 caliber. You can see it's the main thing. It's easy, interchangeable barrel, telescopic stock with 5 different position, adjustable cheekpiece. And also we have an top a Picatinny rail to mount any kind of scope, day or night or a red dot. We have actually 3 different barrel in this product, 13-inch, 16-inch and 18-inch. For the feeding, it works only with the belt ammunition. With the box, we have 3 different boxes size. It depends on the end user need and in the operation. The short one, the compact one, this is the 50 round and we have 150 round.
My name is Dimitris Papageorgiou. I'm Theon's Regional Director of Business Development for LATAM, Africa, Middle and Far East. We're here today at IDEX. We're extremely happy to be back. As you very well know, Theon is a world leader in the man-portable night vision and thermal imaging systems field. In particular, for the night vision monoculars and binoculars, Theon is indeed today the #1 in Europe. Today we're focusing mostly on our night vision helmet-mounted systems, monoculars, binoculars, modular or dedicated devices, as well as our weapon-mounted systems, night vision or thermal imaging, which we believe they offer all the advanced features that the end users are looking for. As you see here, we have the Thermis Mark II, new family of thermal weapon sights that Theon has developed over the last few years, which more or less incorporates all the technological advancements in the specific field. Very compact devices, lightweight, with extreme optical performance, meeting all end user requirements for assault rifles, sniper rifles, light, medium, heavy machine guns, complete range of systems which satisfies exactly what the end users are looking for. We're also showcasing our helmet-mounted systems. This is the NIX binocular, for example, one of the best-selling systems in the world, adopted by many NATO mostly end users around the world, as well as our new monocular 16mm, extremely compact and lightweight device, which is a significant advancement in this field.
The product that we have, we call it the air truck. That's intended to be used for logistics, as a logistic drone. What we mean by that is basically, we looked at the market and we saw there is a huge gap in the logistic drones. You know, the market is moving toward transporting cargoes from one location to another location using drones. It has the ability to fly up to 4 hours, carrying 500 kg of payload. So we wanted to give our customer around the world the ability to carry large payloads, large cargoes from one location to another location. The aircraft flies 3,000 meter altitude and has the ability to fly for 4 hours continuously. The next product, the QX650. This is the second logistic drone that we have developed within ADASI. So the QX50 is intended to transport logistic cargoes from one location to another location. The maximum cargo they can transport is basically 50 kg. The aircraft, as we see behind us, is about 4 meters. It can fly up to 3.5 hours of endurance and can fly as high as 3,000 meters as well. A smaller drone, so it's easy to be transported from one location to another location. You can fly it from desert environment, you can fly it from mountain environment, and even from seabeds if the infrastructure is available. So within ADASI, we are trying to target this market of logistic drones.